Happy New Tune Tuesday. Today we're going to sight read example 2 off of the sight reading examples number 2 linked in the description below. So go ahead and print that off and take a look at it. We're going to just go straight through our STARS protocol on exercise 2. The first thing we notice is we're in 4/4 time and we're in the key of B flat. So watch out for B flats and E flats as you go through. And we notice that neither the time signature or the key signature change. Now we're going to scan for some technically challenging moments. And as I go through this, I see lots of scale patterns. We walk up and down the scales. There are some places where we skip. C in measure 1, D, F, E flat, B flat. Be ready to execute those skips. Keep your fingers close to the keys. Move your fingers rapidly, almost like a robot. Notice that we have some rests in measure number 5 and measure 6. Be careful of those. STA, accidentals. Scan the whole tune for accidentals. Do you see any? Nope. Now let's look for some tricky rhythms. And in this exercise, we're going to see some dotted quarter note eighth rhythms. Find measure 3, 1 and 3. And we'll see the same rhythm in measure 6, 1 and 3. Probably the most difficult rhythm in the etude. The rest of it's straight quarter notes, eighth notes, and an occasional half note. And now let's take a look at the stylistic markings. We start at forte, measure 3, we switch to piano. There's a crescendo, measures 5 and 6, and we return to forte in measure number 7. Also notice the slurs, accents, and staccato dots. They're throughout this piece, and you really need to pay attention to your articulation markings. So let's sizzle through it. Here we go. Ready? Let's take a look at it. 1, 2, ready? Let's give it a go. 1, 2, ready? If you're interested in getting more help for your All-State preparation, check out the link below. I would love to help you as you prepare for All-State. And during the month of September, if you use the code KICKSTART, you can save $15 on your order. Let me help you get ready for your next big audition.